Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce our topic. Artificial intelligence is transforming how brands connect with customers, optimize campaigns, and drive measurable results in the digital age. Today, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing digital marketing, helping us reach audiences more effectively and achieve better outcomes. We'll cover the key ways AI is changing the landscape and what it means for your business. So, let's dive into this exciting journey together. Let's talk about how AI helps us streamline our marketing efforts. By automating repetitive tasks, we can save time and reduce errors, which in turn lowers operational costs. At the same time, AI removes guesswork from decision-making, making our strategies more precise and effective. One of the biggest advantages is cost efficiency. Machine learning algorithms can identify high-value customer segments and optimize ad spend to focus on those most likely to convert. This means we're not wasting resources on less promising audiences. Now, this leads us to precision targeting. AI allows us to deliver tailored experiences to thousands of customers at once. We can customize messages and offers without needing extra resources, making each customer feel uniquely understood. And because AI can analyze millions of data points instantaneously, we gain the ability to make real-time adjustments to campaigns. Whether it's changing messaging or targeting, we can respond immediately to what the data tells us, enhancing personalization and performance on the fly. All of these capabilities highlight why AI is an essential tool in modern marketing. It's about working smarter, not harder, and connecting with customers more effectively than ever before. Let's dive into how machine learning is transforming customer experiences. It creates unique paths for each individual, predicting the next best action to guide them toward a conversion. This is what we call journey mapping, automatically sending relevant messages based on specific actions. For example, if someone abandons their cart, we can send a reminder. After a purchase, we offer recommendations, and we also run re-engagement campaigns to bring users back. Behavioral triggers are key here. AI analyzes user behavior, preferences, and the context of their interactions. This way, we can serve highly personalized content across all touchpoints, whether it's an email subject line or a website layout, making the experience feel tailored just for them. All of this leads to dynamic content delivery at scale. By leveraging AI-powered customer journeys, we ensure that each customer receives the right message at the right time across channels. This personalization isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential for building meaningful, long-lasting relationships with customers. Predictive models are powerful tools that analyze past behavior to help us forecast what might happen next. By doing this, we can proactively address customer needs before they even arise, which is a real game changer for marketing. When we talk about actionable insights, we're referring to strategies that leverage these predictions to make smarter decisions. For example, understanding who might churn or who is most likely to buy allows us to tailor our approaches accordingly. Forecasting is at the core of this. AI examines millions of interactions across various channels to identify patterns and trends. These insights help us predict future behaviors, assess churn risks, and estimate purchase likelihoods with greater accuracy. Pattern recognition is what makes this possible. It's about AI spotting correlations and recurring trends that might not be obvious at first glance, giving us a deeper understanding of customer behavior. And to make all of this work, we gather both historical data and real-time information from every channel available. This comprehensive data collection ensures that our predictions are as accurate and timely as possible. Ultimately, predictive analytics is about anticipating customer needs and trends, so we can stay ahead of the curve, deliver personalized experiences, and build stronger relationships. Now, let's look at how AI is transforming content creation and optimization. First, generative AI is incredibly useful for creating initial drafts of content, saving us time and giving us a solid starting point. Meanwhile, optimization algorithms come into play by testing different headlines, calls to action, and layouts to see which ones perform best. This way, we can continuously refine our content to maximize engagement. Moving on, AI also helps us craft visual content, designing graphics, resizing images for various platforms, and even generating video content from simple text prompts. It's like having a creative assistant that can handle multiple media types seamlessly. In terms of SEO, AI can identify high-performing keywords, optimize meta tags, and suggest improvements to boost our search visibility. This ensures our content reaches the right audience more effectively. And when it comes to copywriting, AI enables us to generate product descriptions, social media posts, and email content, all in seconds, while still maintaining our brand voice. Overall, AI plays a vital role in both generating and optimizing content, making our creative processes faster, smarter, and more effective. This aligns perfectly with our theme of leveraging AI to enhance every stage of content development. Let's take a closer look at how predictive targeting can significantly improve your advertising results. First off, we see that using predictive targeting can double your conversion lift, meaning you get twice as many conversions compared to traditional methods. This directly translates into a higher return on your ad spend. In addition, intelligent targeting helps reduce your cost per acquisition, or CPA, by about 30%. Essentially, you're spending less to acquire each customer, making your campaigns more efficient. Now, when it comes to engaging your audience, AI-optimized campaigns can boost your click-through rates by roughly 45%. That's a substantial increase, showing that your ads are resonating better with the right people at the right time. Another powerful aspect is creative testing. AI enables you to generate and test hundreds of variations, different copies, images, and calls to action to identify the winning combinations. This iterative process ensures your creative assets are continuously optimized for performance. Then there's audience expansion. By analyzing your top customers' characteristics, AI can identify lookalike audiences, prospects who resemble your best customers, and target them effectively. Finally, automated bidding uses machine learning to adjust bids in real time across multiple platforms. This ensures you're maximizing conversions within your budget constraints, making your campaigns smarter and more adaptable. Altogether, these AI-driven strategies create smarter campaigns that deliver better results. They're not just about automation, they're about smarter, more effective advertising. Now, let's look at how our AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants continue to improve over time. Machine learning plays a crucial role here, as it allows these tools to learn from successful interactions and customer feedback. This means they become smarter and more effective at addressing customer needs as they gather more data. Next, we have the concept of continuous learning. This is where the system identifies when human intervention is necessary. When it detects a complex issue or something it can't handle, it seamlessly transfers the conversation to a human agent, providing the full context of the interaction. This ensures a smooth escalation process, so customers don't have to repeat themselves or experience frustration. Moving on to contextual understanding, this is where natural language processing comes into play. It helps the system interpret the customer's intent accurately and keeps track of the conversation's flow across multiple interactions. This way, the chatbot doesn't just respond to isolated questions, but maintains a coherent dialogue that feels natural and personalized. Finally, the benefit of 24/7 availability cannot be overstated. Customers can get immediate answers to common questions at any time of day or night, drastically reducing wait times from hours to seconds. This constant availability enhances customer satisfaction and makes our support more efficient overall. All these elements work together to elevate customer service, making interactions faster, smarter, and more personalized. Now, let's talk about how we can predict the return on investment for our marketing spend and make smarter budget decisions. By forecasting ROI, we can identify which areas are performing well and which might need adjustments, helping us allocate resources for maximum impact. Next, we have anomaly detection. This capability allows us to spot performance deviations instantly. If any key metrics fall outside the expected range, we get automatic alerts. This way, we can quickly address issues or capitalize on emerging opportunities before they impact our overall results. Finally, AI plays a crucial role in analyzing every touchpoint along the customer journey. This is where multi-touch attribution comes into play. It assigns accurate credit to each channel and campaign, giving us a clearer picture of what's really driving conversions. All these tools, ROI forecasting, anomaly detection, and multi-touch attribution, work together to provide deeper insights and enhance our ability to measure success. They ensure we're making data-driven decisions that maximize our marketing ROI and guide us towards smarter, more effective strategies. As we look at the challenges and ethical considerations in AI marketing, it's important to recognize that AI is transforming the way we work. While it automates many tasks, it also creates new roles in strategy, oversight, and creative direction. So, investing in reskilling our teams is crucial to thrive in this AI-enhanced workplace. Now, transparency is a key element here. Customers have the right to know when they're interacting with AI systems. Being clear about this builds trust and helps us uphold ethical standards. Another important point is bias mitigation. AI models can unintentionally perpetuate existing biases if we're not careful. Regular audits and using diverse datasets are essential to ensure fair treatment for all customer segments. And of course, data privacy remains a critical concern. We need to balance personalization with consent, especially under regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Transparent data collection and usage policies are vital to maintaining customer trust and compliance. Overall, these considerations remind us that responsible AI use is fundamental to sustainable and ethical marketing practices. The question we face today is no longer whether to adopt AI in marketing, but rather how quickly we can integrate it into our strategies to stay ahead of the competition and meet the rising expectations of our customers. AI is evolving at a breakneck pace, so it's crucial that we continuously evaluate new tools and approaches. This ongoing assessment helps us maintain that competitive edge and adapt to the changing landscape. Staying curious is key. Always be exploring what's new and how it can benefit your marketing efforts. Building teams that blend marketing expertise with data science skills allows us to fully leverage AI's capabilities. It's about creating a collaborative environment where innovation thrives. And remember, you don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Start small by choosing one AI tool, whether it's email personalization, chatbots, or analytics, and see how it performs. As you gather results and insights, you can expand your efforts gradually. Ultimately, the message here is clear. The future of marketing is happening now. Embracing AI isn't just an option anymore. It's essential for achieving marketing excellence. The sooner we adopt and adapt, the better positioned we'll be to lead in this new era.